they're getting a treat ngayong Pasko na ito. Akala nila ang mga regalo natapos na kahapon. Itong laro na to parang regalo na rin sa kanila dahil ang ganda ng laro natin ngayong araw na to.
Okay, meantime, there's a foul. It's going to go against Tubid. Pangatlo na yan against Ronald Tubid. At yan po ang panglima laban sa Ginebra.
Ginebra's had a good quarter. That may be the one thing that is not going their way sa quarter na ito. As hindi napansin ni Ronald Tubid na padating na yung bola.
Halos nangangalahati na tayo dito sa third quarter and we're tied at 54. Pagsamantalang natikman ng Ginebrang kalamangan. Meantime, here's Helterbrand. And that's a near steal. Tubid over to Macapagal. Open shot. No go. Rivas offensive rebound. Pumihit. Tumira. And he scored.
7th rebound para dito kay Rafi Rivas. Pero nung pagkakataon yan, makita mo, Miko, talaga yung haba ni Rafi Rivas kumpara doon sa ibang mga big man on the court.
Meantime, here's Yap. Hounded by Macapagal. Pull up is no good. Ako, tatlong taga-Ginebra nag-agawa na punta tulog kay Pingris. And here's Simon. And he is fouled. Kung ginawakan ni Rivas itong si Simon, agad na humingi ng dispensa. Kay Simon. Third personal laban kay Rafi Rivas. Sending Pistol Pete to the free throw line, and the first is good. And Artadi is back in the ball game para palitan si Ronald Tubid. Loose ball foul against Ginebra. Great effort there by Mark Pingris.
That's the second foul.
But we did mention that Barangay Ginebra entered the penalty early. Eto, nakikita na natin Pure Foods getting to the line because of that penalty situation. Loose ball fouls, they go to the line. Question now, is Pure Foods going to be able to make their free throws?
Well, Pingris makes his first. At ito ang ating Revigon Forte, lakas na di umaayaw moment. Atid sa inyo ng Revigon Forte para sa lakas na di umaayaw. At tapok si Rafi Rivas. Swing back to action on the court. Second free throw para kay Pingris. 2 out of 2. At balikan lamang sa Pure Foods. 57-56 with 6:05 remaining in the third quarter. So it's a double point guard alignment here para sa Ginebra with Helterbrand and Artadi on the court at the same time. Here's Artadi, sends it over to Macapagal. Nick, banging bodies with Pingris. At ito, 7 seconds to shoot. Helterbrand will now operate. Helterbrand, di may iwanan si Kirby. Open shot, Artadi. No. Atakbo Pure Foods sa kabilang panig with 5:39 remaining in the third quarter. Here's James Yap. Yap, pumihit. And what's the call? There's a foul downstairs.
Dami ang mga foul na napupunta dito sa Barangay Ginebra, and Pure Foods has the right mindset. Pero you guys are in penalty. I'm gonna go to the basket and check kung ipa-foul niyo ako o hindi.
Third personal laban kay Macapagal. Penalty na ang Ginebra mula nung kanina pa. And that will send former MVP James Yap to the line. And at the middle of that picture, image, Mommy Chris and sweet baby James. Daddy James getting 2 out of 2. Here's Artadi, handoff Helterbrand. Ginebra down by 3. Macapagal tries to tie the game. Rebound para kay Pingris. Ito na Peter Jones Simon against 3 redshirts. Simon still thinking attack and then gives it up to Roger Yap. And here's Raymundo. Raymundo on the move. What a move by Kirby. Pero nagmintis. Helterbrand on the move. Ginebra on the counter attack. Helterbrand over to Macapagal. Macapagal is blocked and a whistle is blown.
Court-to-court action. Itong mga team na to, once you miss and you attack and you miss a layup, automatically yung kabilang koponan will attack you on a fast break on the opposing end.
for referee Rebus.
Patuloy pa rin, Miko, ang poor free throw shooting itong Barangay Ginebra. 12 out of 27 from the line, only 45%. Alam mo, 15 mintis yun. If they made those free throws, malamang nasa kanila na ulit yung kalamangan.
Instead, it's a 2-point ball game in favor of Pure Foods as you look at the leading scorer.
Usual suspects para sa Tender Juicy Giants, James Yap and Kirby Raimundo, and of course PJ Simon was the super sub on the floor.
Samantala, tatawagan ng offensive foul si James Yap dahil tunay niyang inatrasan itong si Mark Macapagal na siya namang lumipad. So that's going to be number 3 on James Yap. In the meantime, nagkakainitan itong si James Yap at Mark Macapagal.
It's going to be number 4. You know, those are what are usually called cheap fouls because it's
useless
not,
fouls.
Ang layo kasi sa play, tapos masakit pa.
Hindi pa pwede palitan si James Yap dito. Nursing 4 fouls. Here's Big Mama, Billy Mamaril. Eric Mengkipin, wala. Furious battle for the leather. And there's Simon. Simon on the move. Handoff Roger Yap. Roger Yap trying to brush Artadia aside. 13 to shoot para sa Pure Foods. On top by 2 points. Here's Yap. Hang time.
So he can probably post up any guard in the league.
Except for Winnie Arboleda.
He can try.
He can try. But I would not suggest. Okay, here's Elterbrand against Simon. Elterbrand on the move. Elterbrand, ball away.
Helterbrand.
Alam mo kung ano naman yung lugi nitong si JJ Helterbrand sa poste. Yun naman yung malaking kahalamangan niya sa bilis.
2-point lead pa rin para sa Pure Food. 61-59 under minutes to go in a physical third quarter. Yep, it's going to be a holding foul against Macapagal.
Holding foul at number 18, Mark Macapagal. Penalty.
So this quarter, Miko, slowing down with a number of fouls that have gone both ways. Sabi nga natin, sa simula ng quarter na to, yung mga referees making sure na hindi na mangyari yung mga nakita natin nung first quarter.
Kung ngayon lang kayo nakapagbukas ng inyong TV sets, in the first half, a total of 5 technical fouls were given away as presents.
Swerte naman ng mga nakatanggap.
Oo nga. Makasama pa dun yung dalawang coach, Coach Jong Wichico Vinebra and Coach Ryan Gregorio Furty.
Ano pa yun? Baka makatanggap pa sila sa commissioner's office. Ang dami naman nilang regalo.
Here's Roger Yap, no goal. 3-point lead for Pure Foods. And here's Elterbrand. Beg, umatake. And he will miss. But he got his own miss. And he will score.
Pagkakataon nito, yung si Mengke, sinuwerte na rin na yung bola bumalik sa kanyang kamay. Mark Pingris unable to contain the basketball. Eric Beck, he already has 15 to lead his team.
James Yap, 4-3. Oh, Simon really. Back inside the Big Dome at Yapon on the right, our big boss ABC Sports, Mr. Bobby Barrero on the left, TBA Media Bureau Chief Willie Marshall. You know, that's in the